So, my dear children, today we have a speaking session, and today your topic is that how, what is the role of police and public to maintain law and order. Okay, so I think I have got the name Rakshit, Rohit, Harsh, Sushila. Okay, so first of all, I am calling Rakshit to express his views regarding the topic.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Hello, everyone. My name is Lakshit Maurya, and today I'm telling about what is the role of police and countrymen for maintaining law and order.
Hmm.
As we all know that there is a very big importance of public and countrymen to maintain law and order, because if both work to maintain these we can improve our society,
Hmm.
and can our society can be free from crimes
Hmm.
and crimes and like first of all I'm telling what is the role of police
Hmm.
in maintaining law and order. As you know that the policeman who is recruited in the police force should be accountable and should
बहुत
work
बढ़िया,
for the country
बहुत बढ़िया.
with his own with with his own with much faith, and should be dutiful and should take quick action against the crime, and 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 the police should not be, and the police force should not be sir, afraid of big persons in our country.
हाँ.
if the if the crime and the thing is wrong with them, so they should take action against them. If the
Hmm.
and 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 also there is a very big need of intelligence in the police force, and and if the if we improve intelligence in in police force in our country, we can be free from
Hmm.
crimes, and and we can take the example of the British police force, which is very accountable and
Hmm.
work to make their country free from crimes. They work day and night
Hmm.
until they complete the case,
Hmm.
and so as this we should also we as this our country's police force should also be challengeful, should be able to face all the challenges, and should have the latest and good arms to take action,
Hmm.
and uh, sh- and the police force have first the police force have to stamp out corruption from our
शाबाश,
country,
बहुत बढ़िया, वेरी
and
गुड. हाँ, वेरी मजा आ गया.
and every policeman who is recruited in the police force should be trustworthy, and
Hmm.
should have a positive attitude to help people in any case, and every policeman should take action against any crime, take a quick action against the crime,
Hmm.
and so this way we can say that there is a big role of police in maintaining law and order, and as police there is also a big role of countrymen to
Hmm.
maintain law and order.
Hmm.
As if a countryman also if a countryman uh, sir
हाँ,
if
बोलो.
a countryman सर सर उसको करेगा सर उसको क्या बोलेंगे
किसको?
sir, if a countryman follow rules and can and if the society is united, then there can be there can we can be free from crimes.
Huh,
Like there is a very big requirement of awareness amongst the society
huh.
and people, and and our society should be united and should have the attitude of helping one another
Very good, बहुत बढ़िया. हाँ.
in any case. And there should be there is also a need of education amongst illiterate people. As the
हाँ.
if the illiterate people are also educated, they can be able to know what is happening in our society and can choose the right path. Like in terrorism is happening all over the world, and police can't check every or police can't check every terrorism terrorism action all over the country. So there is also a responsibility of the countryman that he or she should report to the police about the terror, sir. That's it.
बहुत बढ़िया बोला बेटा. वेरी गुड. नाइस वोकेबलरी यूज की तुमने, बहुत अच्छी. शाबाश. बस इम्प्रूव करते रहो बस ऐसी. वेरी गुड. एंड नाउ आई एम कॉलिंग रोहित.
Yes, sir. Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Rohit Yadav, and today I'm going to tell you that who is more important to play role in to play a role in maintaining law and order, the police and the countrymen. And the first of all, I am talking in the favor of the police. Police is required to maintain law and order. As you all know that in every state and every union territory of our country, Bharat, crimes are taking place. I want to suggest that. If a police will do their work, do their work honestly, then the crimes will go, then the crimes will decrease. So and as you all know that the police needs to be accountable for what they have done, because if a police will not be accountable, then the police will do whatever they like. So the police the police should be accountable to the civil servants, civil servants like like CM and these types of leaders should be counted by the police. As you all know that and we know that if we work with honesty, then everything will go right. Like a traffic policeman will do his work, work honestly, check the violators of the rules of the traffic, and at that time the crimes will decrease, because the person who is taking the responsibility will, if he will work with his full potential, then the crimes will decrease. As you all know that British police is most famous among the country, because they do not take rest until they have solved the problem of the country, and they work with dedication. And if we bring that type of police in our country, so that then the country will become very good. And as we all know that nowadays in India and in all over the world, terrorism is increasing. Police is not and the police are not able to uh, police are not able to control the terrorism, because of some of the problems, like they are lacking in the new technical weapons and the technology the terrorists are using, the police is not using. Although India is India is a good technical country. As you all know that in India, in India, we can also make technical weapons and trace the terrorism with by our technology and can stop spreading of terrorism. But due to the lacking of work, hard work and taking pain, the police is not doing police not taking pain, and the result in terrorism increasing. If the police will do work hard, then then the terrorism will decrease, and if the police will have good arms, then the terrorism will decrease. So by this, why I think that the if the police is well trained, and the if police have the dedication to control, or we can say to make their country a crime free country, so then the country will grow. So that's my points opinions about police. Now I'm going to tell you that a countryman has the equal responsibility in maintaining the law and order. As you all know that a countryman needs to be good, so that the crimes in the country will decrease. As you all know that all the crimes are done by the citizens living in the country, but not all citizens do the crimes. There are some citizens in the some citizens.
commit crime. आगे बोलो.
Yes, sir. There are some citizens in the country who commit crime, and police is there to punish all the criminals. But sometimes police do not work there, do not do their work, and some robbers and these types of criminals are not treated for are not treated according to their crime, and they move freely, and that is why they commit more crimes. And if the police will do their job, then the crimes will decrease. But it is not only the responsibility of police to police for maintaining law and order. Citizens are also equally responsible in controlling the law, in maintaining the law and order, because the people are because as we can see that the population is more than the executives, and so if people will understand, if the people will understand and the understand and can understand and can yes, if the citizens will understand the country and will do not and do not commit any crime, then the crimes in the country will decrease. And if we can see that if the citizens will form a unions, that if some bad person enters in their colonies and areas, then they will alert and take and if the person new in the colony will do anything bad, they will take that culprit to the police, and they will do good things for the country. And if the population will be in control, then the crimes will also be in control. Like if we can say that there are many dons in the country, and they move freely because people are scared of them. But if people dare to take that dons to the police by forming groups, because a person cannot handle a group with a potential to make their country crime free. So by this mindset, countryman can maintain law and order, and the persons who are doing bad in our country can be bring to the bars. That's it, sir.
Can be brought.
Brought, yes.
flow में तुम ध्यान नहीं रखते हो, grammatical mistake करते हो. Yes, come on, Arj.
Yes, sir. Hello, good evening. My name is Harshadar, and today my topic is that both police and countrymen are equally responsible for maintaining law and order of the country. First, I will speak in favor that police are responsible for the show. As student police are required to maintain law and order of a country if there will be good police in a country, then the country will work smoothly and there will be no crime.
Hmm.
And we know that everyone is inspired by their superiors and the person at who are at a higher post than them.
Hmm.
This is same in police also. If high ranking police officers will commit crimes, then the new and beginning ones will also do so
Hmm.
and encourage them. So this is also one reason for increasing crime in India. And as we know that the crime level in Britain is less because their police is strict and vigilant to their work. They are active. They do not take rest until or unless they complete their mission or task.
Hmm.
If this strictness will be there in our police means, then the level of crime will be less in our country and our country will be crime free.
Hmm.
As we know that many death accidents are coming in day to day lives. These are happening because of less less courage in traffic police police officers.
Hmm.
They are not strict during their duty. They go on a break,
Hmm.
like they do not carry their tiffins from home, so they feel hungry and they go to a shop. In this duration of time, a person commit a crime like missing the crossing the red light, or crossing the road without zebra crossing, and uh, and in this duration people commit many accidents
Hmm.
because of high speed. uh, and as we know that our police is careless, and they are not vigilant to their work, and they are corrupt. There is there and one of the most sir खतरनाक बकवास ऐसे टाइप की
Dangerous,
प्रॉब्लम.
dangerous.
One of the most dangerous problem of police is corruption. uh, they have they have lack of salary, and their food and water need is high,
Hmm.
so they are facing food and water scarcity because of low salary.
Hmm.
So they take a extra amount
An
from
extra
the
amount. क्या करते हो?
an extra amount from the citizens
Hmm.
and keep it with them.
Hmm.
In this way they themselves
Themselves. ध्यान नहीं रखते हो
them
ग्रामर का बहुत मस्त है.
themselves make a crime.
हाँ.
In this way we can say that if police would police will be vigilant to their work, then there will be no crime.
Hmm.
Now I will speak in a favor of countrymen. As we know, countrymen are the one who commit the crime. If a countryman would not commit the crime, and they will understand the problem of the police, that they should protect the people from terrorists, or control the people from uh, का सर आपको क्या वर्ड बताया था डू की जगह.
Commit.
uh, or they will see that a person is committing a crime or not.
Hmm.
So not only police but also people should be vigilant to their work. They should not commit any crime, or if they are late to their work, then they should leave the home 1 or 2 minutes early to reach their destination on time.
Hmm.
In this way they will maintain their speed and there will be no accident.
Hmm.
And as we know that nowadays a lot of accidents, robberies, and rape cases are happening.
Hmm.
Who are doing these works? These are committed by ourselves.
Hmm.
If we will not commit these things, then there will be no need of police. and there should not be no need of police in the society work. We should be self dependent and self disciplined, so that we can maintain, we can solve the problem in our society only. Like in villages, there is no need of police. The old people of the village maintain the decorum of the village. If this would be in a city, citizens of India, then there would be no crime and no need of police. That's it, sir.
वेरी गुड. ग्रामेटिकल बहुत ज्यादा मिस्टेक करते हो मिस्टर. फोकस करो थोड़ा सा चीजों पे, चाहे थोड़ा धीरे बोलो. फ्लो के चक्कर में आप ग्रामेटिकल बहुत ज्यादा मिस्टेक करते हो,
Okay,
बहुत
sir.
ज्यादा करते हो. फोकस करो. सुनते नहीं हो शायद अपनी रिकॉर्डिंग आप हैं. अगर आप
Sir,
सुनोगे तो
sorry,
आपको
sorry.
पता चल जाएगा कि क्या कहाँ गलतियां कर रहे हैं. मुझे दोबारा सारी चीजें करवानी पड़ेंगी बेटा. ओके. यस, कम ऑन सुशील.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Sushil, and I am student of the Raman Online Interactive Classes from 16. And today my topic is what is the role of police and countrymen. To me, both are important to maintain law and order, because only police can't maintain, and also only public can't maintain.
मेंटेन द लॉ एंड ऑर्डर. पूरा पूरा
Now,
करो सेंटेंस को.
yes, sir,
कुछ
to
वर्ब ऐसी होती हैं
maintain
जो
law
जिनके
and
साथ
order.
ऑब्जेक्ट लेना जरूरी है. हाँ बोलो.
Now, as we know that many bad activities are happening, like robbery,
हम्म,
kidnapping,
हम्म,
rape, etc.
हम्म,
And these these are happening because of care care carelessness of police. Because police take an extra amount from bad people, and they make free them to do any bad activity.
हम्म,
uh, and it happens because police get very little salary, and in his salary he can't fulfill his needs.
हम्म.
And as you know that now tariffs are tariffs are now as we know that terrorists are attacking on the public, because because they have very harmful weapons and equipments,
Hmm.
and our police has limited weapons. So according to me, there is need to give them a good and nice weapons.
Hmm.
uh, and public are or public are also reso- responsible to reduce the bad activities,
Hmm.
li- like if someone seems that someone is happening bad, so immediately he should inform to police.
Hmm.
And I think that sir
Hmm.
and I think that when someone happens wrong, so police
समथिंग हैपेंस
also.
रॉन्ग. समवन कैसे हो जाएगा? समथिंग ही तो आएगा. समथिंग हैपेंस रॉन्ग.
Yes, sir. When something happens wrong, so police delay to take action.
सो क्यों लगा रहे हो यहाँ
And
पे? मैंने पहले भी आपको मना किया 2-3 बार.
yes, sir.
ज्यादा टिपिकल मत करो उसको. बहुत ज्यादा लंबा चौड़ा करने के
So
चक्कर में
that's
अपन
it.
कई बार उसको खराब कर देते हैं।
So that's it.
हाँ, ज्यादा लंबा चौड़ा मत किया करो उसको, बहुत ज्यादा टिपिकल कर देते हो आप उसको कभी कभी, है ना। ऐसे मत किया करो। यस कम ऑन, ओके, फिर भी ठीक है, बहुत अच्छा कोशिश की है तुमने, और थोड़ा सा ध्यान रखो। यस कम ऑन, हर्षित।
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Harshit Moore. I'm the student of Raman Online Interactive Classes. Today's my topic is what is the role of police and countrymen to maintain laws and orders. As we can see in our society that there are many uh, criminal activities, and those are committed by only by countrymen and sometimes by policemen. And nowadays we can see that some policemen are involved in corruption, and this corruption may lead to bad activities which are happening in today's world. Like we can see that there is too much corruption, criminal activities, rape, and such a type of serious hazardful situations are there uh, before us. And it is the responsibility of both a countryman and a policeman, as it is very important for a policeman not to be involved in the in corruption, as the job of police is to save people from corruptions and other criminal activities. Uh, police uh, if police will do its work properly, then it
विल
would
डू
be
क्यों इफ
easy.
पुलिस फुलफिल्स हिज ड्यूटी।
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
कंडीशनल सेंटेंस भूल गए, दोबारा चालू करें?
No, sir.
क्या फायदा है फिर? हाँ
Okay, sir.
हाँ
If a policeman fulfills his duty, then there would not be any type of criminal cases. And sometimes police refuses to write the FIRs of public, and this may lead to a big damage of a nation. And sometimes we can see that a policeman in the times of at the time when they are at work, they sometimes sleep and don't care for their work. This is bad, and it may lead to criminal activities. And in this work, countrymen are always countrymen are always important to play a key role, as we can see that most of the criminals are countrymen, and those becomes criminals and do criminal activities. And to stop these, we should be aware about the activities that are happening, and we must take the cases to the high courts if the police is not able to fulfill that. And we a countryman must be able to think that what should be done at the time of when there is any robbery or any type of situation. And as we can see that sometimes it is not possible for the policeman to look every criminals, and so in this situation a countryman is the only person who can catch a robber, a person who is involved in criminal cases. And public is the most important weapon of a nation, as if the public of a nation would if the public of a nation would be aware about these activities which are happening, then there would not be any corruption. So in my view, both the countrymen and policemen are important to maintain laws and orders. That's it, sir.
ओके, वेरी गुड, ठीक है, कीप इट अप, शाबाश।